40 years, Mrs. Sylvia Serafino has been a very important part of the math department of Our Lady of Good Counsel High School. She was there for the arrival of young women, calculators, block schedules, computers, laptops, and most recently, iPads. She has served as a chair and a mentor teacher, and has taught just about every math course offered in our catalog. Outside of our department, she has served on countless committees, FSC, Middle States, President and Principal searches, to name but a few. She has been instrumental in developing our Riken Math program, with her main focus in recent years, our highly successful and impactful Riken Algebra 1 course. She is the source of strength, guidance, wisdom, and friendship for each of us in our department. She truly embodies all the Xaverian values as she focuses on each of her students and his or her success in the classroom. Over these years, Mrs. Serafino has raised 4 children of her own, and her beloved grandchildren now walk our halls. We thank them all for sharing their mother and grandmother with us. For these many reasons, the annual Senior Math Award will be, from this day forward, called the Sylvia M. Serafino Award. And we invite Mrs. Serafino to come forward.
The recipient of this year's Sylvia M. Serafino Award for the study of mathematics is Haley Parker.